Hey, how are we all doing? Welcome to UK Full Drive. My name's Joan. This we're going to be reviewing / installing, like a few other videos that I've done. A Tuff Rok. I suppose you would call it sort of like a instrument panel. Yep, so got this the other week, haven't been able to fit it just yet, but yeah, proper smart. Not plastic like I believe some are. This is like full on metal. Nice bit of engraving done there, or cutting. So yeah, you've got battery voltage. Then you've got your 12 volts, and I think in there, 1 minute. Yeah, in there is a nice bit of USB ports. So get in. Will go nicely. So yeah, gonna fit it. I can do it down there, if you know what I mean. So yeah, we'll get onto that in a sec. So yeah, as you can see, it sort of like loops itself around on every single one. And then we'll come off. Obviously, you got a earth and main, and yeah, should work hopefully, but we'll see. And then I've got a little fuse, what piggybacks another fuse, which is so something. Ooh, will it focus? Something like that. So you got your. Where the hell's the camera? Can you see? Yeah. So you got. Will it focus? Oh my god, there we go. So yeah, it's got the little fuses to go in the top, and then you obviously got the one that will go in the main one. So I think I'm going to piggyback the one for the cigarette lighter down here. But yeah, we'll see. So we have it mocked up. Used a Dremel, where is it? Just to put the holes in for the screws, and then with, if you can see, and then I'll move it forward and put the wires in behind here, and then obviously connect them up to that, and then earth it. Where the hell is my finger around here? To that there. So yes, we are getting there. So pull this away. You can see it's got a tiny little gap there. Just a few bolts. One is down underneath there, and two for me is in there. And then it just pulls away. I am going to be taking out. Where are we? This one here, cigarette lighter. What should be, where's the camera? That one in there should be, and then I'll use that little piggyback wire fuse to attach it. So yeah, bear with. So fed the wires through here, push that down through there, and in the back of there, coming out through there, and I've attached the earth wire to a little circular thing. Hang on, I'll show you what it is. One of these, what fits around a 10mm bolt, and then that's just hand tight for now, just connected to there to earth it, and I've just fed the live wire up through, and then I'll be connecting it to there, where it's just, it didn't focus, there, in there. So yeah, ooh, what's that? So yeah, going up. Yep. So, as I said, earthed that one there with a 10mm bolt. Coming down to the live, put a little extension in it, into there, just fit that to there, and then whoop, and then as you can see, it's got a little fuse on top, just piggybacks it straight into the cigarette one. So yeah, hopefully it will work. So let's see how it goes. Let's see if it's gonna work. Bosh. Let's see if there's anything in there. Oh, wham. Any more lights in there? Nah, no lights in there. It's all working nicely though. So, installed. Everything is in, put away, and working, as you can see. So, not too bad really. Bit fiddly. I mean, I'm not the best, I'll admit that. But yeah, it was really good. Thanks to Matty for helping with the wiring, because I had a right brain fart when I was trying to figure it out, but he came up with that looping idea, so big shout out to him. And obviously big shout out to Tuff Rok for sending the product. Amazing quality, really sturdy it seems. So yeah, really good. I'll put the link in the description and a link to their website and Instagram and all that sort of jazz. And yeah, and I believe you would get 10% off. So yeah, enjoy. Yeah, so go check them out. Use the discount code. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe. More content coming shortly. I've bought a few more things, so this build is slowly coming on. After this lockdown rubbish what's gone on, I understand why they're doing it, but Jesus, it takes its toll on people who want to get out and about. But yeah, hopefully there's a few more laning days yet, and I believe there might be even snow on the way, so you never know. But yeah, so hopefully there's a few more videos about laning and getting out and about with mates and everything. So yes, keep in on this channel, see us grow hopefully, and all that great stuff. So thanks for watching and stay safe. Cheers.